Guys, this is Masi. Welcome to my channel. In this video I want to give you some examples regarding dividing square roots. First example, before I do any example, I just want to show you the quotient rule or quotient property of square roots, which is saying that root of a over b is the same as root a divided by root b, or we can say root a over root b is the same as root a over b. So we can use this rule or this property to solve or simplify some of the square roots expressions. First one is root 27 divided by root 75. Answer is 27 is 9 times 3, so it is going to be root 9 times root 3, and 75 is 25 times 3, so 25 times root 3. Root 3 and root 3 cancel out. Root 9 is 3, root 25 is 5, so it's going to be 3 over 5. Next example, we have is root 48 divided by root 108. Answer is 16 times 3, and 108 is 36 times root 3. Root 3 and root 3 cancel out. Root 16 is going to be 4. Root 36 is 6. So 4 over 6 is going to be 2 over 3. We simplified. Next example is root 96 divided by root 54. Answer is root 96 is root 16 times root 6, and 54 is 9 times 6, so root 9 times root 6. Root 6 and root 6 cancel out. Root 16 is 4, root 9 is 3, so it's going to be 4 over 3. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.